Here we are doing an open heart surgery on a nice trane system, a little older. There's our heart, got our 4 patients. We will we'll be doing our best to save it. Pretty simple though. Once we've reclaimed the refrigerant, we'll be extracting it. It's got rotor locks, so there won't be any brazing or welding. And we got this nice little umbrella over the top of us to protect us from the Florida sun, which, as you can see out there, it's killing us. Super hot. Well, I did have an extension to keep me from having to dive head first into this unit, but I guess I'm gonna have to dive head first into here, and what we're gonna do is take loose the 1/2-inch nut bolts. Now those are loose. We're going to get them rotor locks. This should be rather quick and easy. Alright, there's our new one, bolted down. I'm getting ready to connect up the rotor locks here and here. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we will come back to charging, vacuum and charging. Now that we're done with the rotor locks, we're pressurizing the nitrogen. You use gas bubbles and spray on there to make sure nothing's leaking. And then we're going to put it on a vacuum. Looks like our nitrogen's a little low. To do with what we have. Well, and we got it on a vacuum. Yeah, wait till that starts moving. Hello? 500 microns. And we'll be pretty much close to done. We still have to recharge the system, so I'll be getting the scale, excuse me, and the refrigerant to do that here in a little bit. We'll button the rest of the unit up while it's on a vacuum, take that time to finish up the work. As you can see, we're almost done with our vacuum. We're down to 680, 670 microns in the vacuum. A few more minutes, we'll be waiting, and then we'll be breaking out the scale and the refrigerant. And we're going to be recharging with 410A, that's what was in it. And we'll be done soon. We'll start her up, check the charge after that, and hopefully it's good. Well, we got our jug and our scale set up. Just about ready to stop the vacuum. We're very close there. And see how much it rises. So we'll be right back, and we're going to be charging it when we do. Alright, now we're charging our system. We're doing 8.5 pounds. That's with the calculated line set. Oh, there you are. And 1 pound for the coil. The 7-pound charge total from the condensing unit. So that's where we're at. Now we just gotta wait for it to charge up. We got 3 pounds so far. So as soon as this thing's charged up, we're going to try and put her in service, and we are going to check and see if we need any more. Hang in there, almost done. Well, success. Open heart surgery has worked. As you can see, pressures look pretty good. It's a hot box inside, about 90 degrees. We'll be monitoring it for a little bit here. and give credit where credit is due. The diagnosis was Adrian from Key to Cool. Shorted compressor, not grounded, but it was shorted between run and common. So, good one, brother. I like going behind somebody, replacing the part that's supposed to be broken, and the unit actually working afterwards. That's what you call win-win. It really irritates the crap out of me when someone diagnoses it wrong, you go back, put a part in, the shit still don't work. Come on, man. Make me want to kick somebody in the head when you get to the shop in the morning. Good thing I get my coffee. Otherwise, if I don't have my coffee, I might just kick somebody in the damn head. Anyway, if you like the video, check me out, some more if you like. Subscribe if you want. Until next time, we'll see what we got to fix next. Take it easy.